Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're gonna have some fun, folks. All right, we're gonna have some fun and make money. You guys wanna do that? If you guys wanna have fun and make money in SMMA, I want you guys to watch this video all the way through because I'm gonna show you guys how to go from $0 to making $1,000 a day in SMMA. And you're gonna wanna watch this whole presentation, okay? Because it's gonna allow you guys to go from where you are struggling, not getting clients, what you need to be focusing on, why you're not getting clients, okay, and hitting your goals and objectives, okay? I like to give out a lot of free value, and today we're gonna talk about making $1,000 a day in SMMA, okay? This is powerful, ladies and gentlemen, because you could actually make $2,000 or $3,000 a day, but we're just gonna start off very small. I know most of you guys clicked on this video. You wanna make big money in SMMA. I'm gonna show you how to make about 30 G's a month in social media marketing. It's really quite simple, okay? And most of you guys are missing the boat because you're focusing on the wrong things. You're focusing on outsourcing it. You're focusing on, coming up with a company name or a bank account, how much taxes you should pay and all that stuff. That stuff's important, but it's not the main thing. The first thing you need to do, okay, is you need to get clients, okay? And if you don't have clients, you don't need an outsourcer right now. You gotta get a client first, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys not only how to get clients, but how to get to the money, okay? Now, if you guys really wanna know how to do this, you want my 4-step process, we just launched the ICP course. People are getting phenomenal results. I literally show you guys how I built a social media marketing agency from scratch, no brand, no clients, no nothing, okay? Starting all over, okay? What I would do in this pandemic right now was able to get 3 clients in 7 days and set up a $15,000 a month agency. If you guys want that course, click the link in the description. Super affordable. Price is gonna go up pretty soon. I think everyone that's serious about SMMA should grab it, especially at the price that is in. So what we're gonna do real quick is I'm gonna show you some things you need to do if you guys wanna make $1,000 a day. And this is very important. This is important stuff. This is the stuff that I use in the ICP to get clients literally in 7 days. A lot of you guys think it takes 60 days, 30 days to get clients. No, okay? The first thing, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you guys have to get right, okay, is your mind, okay? And we're going to get into the technical side about this, okay? If your mind, okay, is not at $1,000 per day, okay, and this is where most of you guys' mindset is at, maybe making $1,000 a month, okay? The first thing you got to focus on, folks, if you want to make big money, is mindset, okay? Too many of you guys have $1,000 mindset, but yet you want to make $1,000 a day or you want to make $10,000 a month. If you want to make $10,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen, you got to get a $10,000 a month mindset. How do you get a $10,000 a month mindset? The reason why I like to start my videos off by prompting you guys to grab courses and grit books and to get coaching and stuff like that, mindset. Most of the people on the internet, 98% of the people on the internet are making money. All the information is out there. All the cold calling scripts are out there. All the strategies on how to make money in SMMA is out there. Why aren't people hitting it? Why is it that I was able to go from 0, working at a warehouse at night, sleeping during the day, okay, barely getting by, to making six figures my first year at SMMA? Mindset. I shifted my mind. I went from $1,000 a month to making $1,000 mindset shift. And if you guys want to make $1,000 a day, the first thing I need you guys to do with me right now in this video is set a goal on how much you want to make in SMMA. Now, this is a beautiful goal because I'm going to show you guys how to hit this goal. But you got to set a goal. How much money do you want to make? And if you want to make that amount of money, you got to start investing in yourself. You got to start looking at your goals every day. Okay, a lot of you guys want to become a social media marketing agency without investing any money. Okay, it's the equivalent of a doctor saying, hey, you know what? I'm going to skip medical school. I don't want to spend $200,000 on my education. I'm just going to watch all the YouTube videos out there to learn how to operate. Think about that, folks. That's what you guys are doing. You guys want to go and perform social media marketing for other businesses, but you haven't spent any money, okay, $0, okay, on your own personal education. Okay, and that's dangerous. If a doctor or a person was to operate on someone without the right knowledge, they could kill them. And that's what you guys are doing to yourself. You're killing yourself. That's why you're not making any bread, is because you haven't invested in yourself. You guys keep telling yourself, I can't afford it. You can. Okay, no one should be without able to make $100 or $200 right now in this situation. We have the internet, we have Uber, we have, TaskRabbit. There's so many. We have all the outsourcing sites. You can go and help somebody and they will pay you. They will PayPal you money. If you know how to type, or you know how to edit, or you know how to proofread, or whatever the case may be, people will pay you. So there's no excuse that you shouldn't be making the big money in SMMA, plain and simple. So the first thing, and this is the one that most of you guys hate, you want to skip mindset. You guys just want to see cold calling videos, and you just guys want to know how to do the Looms, the Zooms, the Facebook ads, and all this other stuff. You want to skip mindset. If you're not reading 30 minutes a day of a good book, ladies and gentlemen, you got problems. You should be reading 30 minutes a day. You should be watching YouTube videos. You should be going through your courses, purchasing courses, finding out where all the top information at, the high power information. You should be seeking out a coach. Put it on a credit card, okay? Leverage someone else's money to get you to $1,000 a day, okay? The next thing, folks, this is key, all right? This is key. Okay, it's prospecting. This is huge, okay? Prospecting. Prospecting equals money, okay? Not closing sales, okay? The person who talks to the most business owners, okay? I'm just going to put BW business owners, will make the most money. Okay, plain and simple. All right, so here's a good analogy, okay? Let's say you had a super salesperson, okay? Okay, and then you had a person that was good at prospecting, okay? So we're just gonna make the prospecting, okay? He was good at prospecting. He's good at prospecting, he's good at sales. Now, the good salesman may talk to 5 people, and let's say he closes 20%, he closes, let's say he closed 3. He closes 3 out of 5, okay? That's all he closes. But if you have a person that's a super, okay, prospector, meaning he talks to, let's say, 25 to 50 business owners a day, and he's getting in front of, instead of the 5, because the super salesman say, I don't have to talk to a lot of people. I can just close 3 and I'm done. The super prospector, or he's a new person. What you lack in skills, you make up in numbers. So let's say he's prospecting good at a high level, and that's why I like the prospect, and I teach you guys prospecting, because if you talk to enough people, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to get sales and you're going to make money. So let's say he's talking to 25 to 50 business owners a day, and that means, let's say he's getting in front of about 30 business owners a day versus the 5, okay? And let's say out of this, let's say he's only closing, let's just say 20%, okay? He's horrible. He's only closing about 20%, all right? So let's go 30 times 20%. That means he's closing 6, okay? See, the more people you talk to, the more chances you have of getting a sale. Write that down. That's why I always say, ladies and gentlemen, you have to focus on prospecting. Get the course so you can learn how to prospect. That's what I teach you when I'm cold calling. I'm teaching you how to prospect. You'll eventually become a good salesperson. If you get in front of 30 people, you'll eventually figure out what to say, how to say it, and when to say it, and how to get the close. It'll eventually come to you. Okay, it's all about prospecting. Even if you're horrible, as you can see, you're going to close more sales than a super salesperson. Okay, because you're talking to more people. And the reason why you don't have clients, if I ask you right now, how many business owners have you talked to today? And I guarantee you, how many cold calls have you made? How many Looms? How many Zooms? How many cold emails have you sent out? If it's 0, that's why you don't have any clients. You haven't talked to anybody. So you get off this video and you start making cold calls. And if you don't know how to cold call, you're fearful, you have anxieties, okay, and you're afraid of the phone, click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP course. I have a mindset section in there where I can pull that stuff out of you and get you on the phone and help you to be successful. And if you have purchased a course or you've been doing cold calling for a while or SMMA and you're still having struggles, click the link in the description. You guys can hire me as a coach and I'll work with you and help you get to $1,000 a day if that's your goal or objective. So here's the thing. So if I ask another person, how many people have you talked to? They may say I talked to 20. And I say, how many clients you got? They may say I got 2 new clients. Why? They're talking to people and you're not. You got to get on the phone and talk to prospects, okay? Plain and simple, ladies and gentlemen. This is how this stuff works, okay? The next thing, ladies and gentlemen, is how do you got to understand what is the goal. So let's just write down, if the goal is $1,000 a month, okay, what's the goal? What's the income goal? Let's put income goal. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know where you're going, you'll end up anywhere, okay? If I ask you, how much is $1,000 a month? Most of you guys don't even know, okay? So the first thing you got to determine is how much money, how many clients do I need to get in order to make $1,000 in SMMA, okay? So let's do the math, all right? Let's say you were charging $1,000 a client. That means you need 30 clients, okay? Okay, you need 30 clients at, let's say, $1,000, okay, 1K. Okay, so you need 1,000 clients. Now, let's say you're charging 2,000. And in the ICP course, I got a strategy where we're busting this out. We're making, over $1,000 a client. We're making anywhere from, 18 to 25 with an awesome skill that or pricing structure that I kind of talked about a little bit. And if you guys want that, click the link in the description and sign up for the ICP course. And you guys can get the strategy on how to increase your price where one client can pay you a minimum of $1,800 or more, minimum. So anyway, let's say you're charging 2K. Okay, if you're charging 2K, that means you only need half. So you only need 15 clients. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all you need in order to be making $1,000 a day, because $1,000 is essentially either 30 or 15 clients. At 2 or at 1,000 is 30. Okay, so our goal is this. So I like to break things up in 90 days. Okay, 90-day cycles. Okay, so we're gonna go 90 days. All right, so 90 days is equivalent of 3 months. Okay, I'm gonna show you how simple this is. All you got to do is take the next 90 days, put it on your calendar. All right, and do this, and you guys can get to $1,000 a day. I told you I was going to show you how to get to $1,000 a day. It's mindset, prospecting, income goal. How much is it? How many people do I need to talk to? How many clients do I need to make $1,000 a day? The beautiful thing about SMMA, all we got to do is either we're going to charge 1,000, 2, or if you want to charge 3, you can charge 3. Then you need less clients, but this is still simple. If you just take 90 days, okay, all right, we'll just take the highest number, okay, 1,000. All right, so 30 clients divided by 3. Okay, all you need, okay, divided by 3, all you need is 10 clients, okay? 10 clients a month, okay, over the next 90 days. All that comes to, all right, all that comes to, ladies and gentlemen, is really simple. 10 clients divided by 4, that's 4 weeks in a month. That's like 3 clients a week, okay? 3 clients a week per week. That's it. That's all you need is 3 clients a week. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go back to this analogy. If you want to sign up 3 clients a week, all you really need to do is to set about, I would say about 3 to 4 appointments a day if you're new, all right? I mean, you could even go 2 to 3, but 3 to 4 ideally, that's all you would need to do to hit that number, okay? If you do that Monday through Saturday, ladies and gentlemen, you'll have no problem with making $1,000 a day, okay? Plain and simple. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all you have to do. You got to work on yourself. You got to prospect. You got to know your income goal. You got to know how much it takes or how many clients you need to make $1,000 a day. That's simple. 3 clients a week is all you need, ladies and gentlemen, to make $1,000 a day. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and prospect, okay? So all you got to do. Now, if you guys want to know how to do this at a high level, you guys want my system, you guys want to see how I went. Literally, I took 7 days and got 3 clients, okay? Less than 7 days, all right? You guys can click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP course. If you guys need help, click the link in the description. You can sign up for one-on-one coaching where I can hold your hand, show you how to go from A to Z. You're tired of bumping your head. You don't have any time to waste, and I can coach you and help you get to the levels you want to get to. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you thought about this training. I hope it was of immense value to you. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys again. Get out there and talk to some business owners. Bye for now.